구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정 많이 해주세요.
Bam! Alii and aloha, my friends. Welcome to Vibes with Leislayyy. Oh my gosh, my eyes. I literally just woke up a few minutes ago. So this is my bed head. Or bed hair. This is my bed hair. And so anyway, I just woke up a few minutes ago, and usually I wake up and then do my laundry, but today, oh my gosh, my eyes, oh my eyes, I think it's so bright in here, so my eyes is not like adjusting. So today we're gonna go to the beach, finally. So we're gonna go to the beach because it's about to be end of summer and my dad wants to take us all to the beach. So we're going today. And guess what? You guys are coming along with me. I'm so sorry, my eyes. Ugh. This is what I'm gonna wear to the beach. I have the shorts. Yeah, I'm not going in bikini. No. Around family, I don't wear bikini. I'm wearing shorts. I'm wearing this one. I'm gonna wear this one. And then the pants over it. This shirt over it. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be wearing. So we're gonna be doing a little get ready with me. Yeah, we're gonna fix this hair and then do a get ready with me. When I say get ready with me and not putting on makeup, any of that, I don't really do that because I'm going to the ocean. Who wears makeup to the ocean? But anyway, it's exciting. Well, tomorrow I go to work, so man. And the thing is, the kids are off from school, so that's why my dad chose this day to take us to the beach. So, because tomorrow I work and we cannot go to the beach. So today I'm off, so we're gonna go to the beach. So guys, I hope you guys enjoy this beach vlog. Let's go and change into our swimsuit. We're gonna need sunscreen, so let's do some sunscreen. I think that's way too much, but anyway, I'm just excited to go. We haven't been to the beach. I think the last time we went to the beach is when my uncle visited. Yeah, and my uncle came in what, March? Or April. I believe it was April. I think he came in April. So yeah. Or March. It's one of those months. I think it's March or April. So yeah, that's how long we haven't gone to the beach. I think we're supposed to leave by 10. So right now it is 9:09 right now. So I think everyone is gonna be waking up. Getting ready. Cover up. It's so cute. So yeah, that's the cute cover up. Oh, I'm gonna go cook rice because it takes 20 minutes to cook rice. So let's go do that. I don't know. We really planned this out really well. I don't know if we're gonna take snacks, but I have a lot of snacks, so I'm gonna pack me some snacks. So let's go. Bye, silly boy. Bye.
I was gonna bring my camera and then
Hi,
my
silly
grandma
girl.
forgot to,
I can't see if it's recording. Oh, it is. Look, I found a jellyfish.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving.